That is oatmeal bread pudding made with a caramel sauce and a little bit of cream. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an oatmeal bread pudding. That's right, an oatmeal bread pudding. I don't think I've seen it before. We're doing it. We've got a loaf of bread. Now just rip it up. You can take the crust off if you wish. I don't wish. I'll leave them on. Just rip it up into chunks, nice and steady. Now it is very dry this, so it's perfect for this kind of recipe. Now this loaf weighs about 500 grams, thereabouts. Now this is definitely one of those recipes that puts a pudding, a dessert on the table, using up ingredients. You know, there's quite a lot of bread here, look. It's going to be a filling dessert. Okay, what a fantastic amount of ripped up bread. Right, this in here is instant porridge oats. Instant oats, you can use rolled oats, not a problem. In there, nice, steady, let it soak down. Fantastic. Okay, this is raisins, and that is rum. Okay, I've been soaking my raisins in rum. They're going in there. We don't want to chuck the rum in. You could do if you wanted, but in fact, now I've said that, come on, let's get that in there. Chuck it all in. We have to make up a custard. Here, eggs in there. So that's 3 eggs in there. I'm using evaporated milk and milk. I want the creaminess from the evaporated milk, so I'm going to put the whole can in, and the can is about 330, is it? It's about 380 milliliters of milk. I'm going in there with some milk. We need enough custard to soak that bread. In there, vanilla, about a teaspoon. In there, a pinch of salt. Our spices, which is cinnamon and nutmeg, and our sugar. Give your custard mix a good beating. Mix all that egg and sugar and everything in there, and your spices. And that is melted butter. Give that a stir in. Fabulous. Our bread, our oats, our raisins, our custard in there. Mix through. Let it soak in. The oats want to take it on, the bread wants to take it on. Fabulous. Now this is going to sit on the side here a good 10 minutes. So everything is absorbed. And if you feel you haven't quite got enough fluid, put more in. There's enough here. But put more in. Just leave it about 10 minutes. What you need to be doing is greasing up a suitable size dish. And this is about 9 by 13. So that's greased out with butter. I'm going to wait 10 minutes and then that is going in there. Oven on at home. I'm going to do 170 here. So we're going to get it on now to preheat. So I'm using the high Sapientia air fryer oven, 24 litre air fryer oven. We're doing it at 170. Our mix in there. Don't squash it. Just dump it in. Dump it in. That means it's going to find its own way to the bottom. We're making a pudding. We want a little bit, we don't want to go crazy with this. We want a little bit, a dot of butter on the top of there. Optional, if you don't want to put it on, don't put it on. It might have oats in, but no one's saying it's healthy. It's a pudding. That in the oven 35 minutes. In we go, on we go, and we want a time for 35. Nice and easy as that. Whilst that's whirling away there, we might as well start our caramel. So we'll get a flame on. I'll go in there with some sugar. Now we want to be melting the sugar and making it into like an amber caramel colour. Nice and steady, we don't want to burn it. Just starting to melt away there, look. You see, it's just turning an amber colour. Now, all we have to do is gently give this a little shake for it to melt. And trying to get that really golden colour. Okay, once we've got it golden like that, introduce your butter gently. And then we want to be adding cream a little at a time. A nice pinch of salt in there, because there's nothing in here apart from sweet. And we do not want to take it too thick, so be a little bit cautious with this one. We actually want a nice caramel. That will do. Flame off. We don't want to take it any more than that. We want a nice drizzly caramel. Okay, this is at 25 minutes. That's enough, I think. I can see, oh, it's bubbling underneath, and I can smell it's cooked really well. Skewer, clean. That's cooked. 25 minutes it comes out. Oh, look at that, come on. Smelling here is fantastic, it really is. Right, we're just going to let it rest a little minute. It has to rest there. Oh, a good 5 or 6 minutes, and then we can cut in there. Come on, the usual. We're not waiting. Crispy, crunchy top, and I can feel how soft it is inside. Come on. Oh, look at that. Come on. Oh, leave that on there. We need to be drizzling. Oh, maybe it's a little bit more. Cream with this sort of pudding with the caramel sauce off the planet. That is oatmeal bread pudding made with a caramel sauce and a little bit of cream. Come on. Come on. Just look at that. I can smell the vanilla and the oats and the cream. Oh, and that caramel. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, we've got that hint of rum in there. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, that is incredible. That is a sweet to make. You've got a lovely crunchy top on there. Soft inside. You've got that vanilla flavour. It's creamy. It is just a fantastic pudding. That little bit of dry fruit in there that we soaked with the rum. Oh, incredible. Now, if you like what we're doing, Don't forget, share with your friends, share all over. Big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications every time we upload. Catch you in the next video.